Ojude is an annual festival in Ijebu land held on the third day of Eid Kabir, popularly known as Ileya. The occasion is a significant traditional convergence where indigenes play out the history and culture of Ijebu land in colors and artistry. The Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Adetona, donned in beaded attire like many sons and daughters, and those in the diaspora received homage. One significant feature of the annual festival was the parade by different age groups known as Regberegbes, who seemed set to outdo each other in colorful uniform attires. While the event was a simple annual reunion of indigenes of Ijebu land, Abdullahi and his colleagues, who came kilometers away, seized the occasion to make brisk business and earn some cash. So also are many who displayed souvenirs for sale at the event.
Kabesi, Oba, and so many people used to buy them. Plenty.
I thank God. This festival is very nice for us. Everybody are selling market, they will make business today.
We make our money almost every year. So when our people they are used to this, so they used to buy it and we used to make money.
The governor of Ogun State, Dapo Abiodun, and the chief host, Oba Sikiru Adetona, said the annual Ojude festival is living to its expectation as the tourist destination of choice in Nigeria.
Presents a unique opportunity to display our hospitality and enviable tradition to a national audience and the global community.
Some attendees of the event spoke on their choice of fashion dress and ornament for the day.
As you can see, this is the Ndogo. All these ones are handmade, and then you can see all the lashes there. You know, this has about 3 or 4 cloths put in one.
It's the pride, the attachment to the values and cultural values and heritage of Ijebu.
Show this homage with dress in our cultural attire, in our cultural clothes, and this is how we show our respect here.
The annual Ojude has become part of Ileya celebration in Ijebu land, and indigenes, especially those in diaspora, would allow nothing to prevent them from participating in the show of elegance, culture, and style. Adobe Ogechi, NTA News.